video. In this video we're going to be looking at a scenario where Turkey forms an empire, or Turkey. I'm going to call it Turkey just because, or I'm going to try and call it Turkey, but I will sometimes forget. Let's get started. NATO, the European Union, UN, yeah, they don't exist, but you guys know that. In my empire videos, yeah, they don't exist, and also nukes don't exist. Let's get started. Now, Turkey will be coloring in red, and everything you see red, that's Turkey. Okay, so let's get started. Their first war is against Greece. After Greece joins, Cyprus joins on Turkey's side, and also Azerbaijan joins the war. But also Armenia joins the war on Greece side. So when the war starts, we have Turkish troops taking control, I can say, of northern Cyprus, and eventually taking over all of Cyprus. And over here in Azerbaijan, we have Azerbaijan starting to push into Armenia. Some Turkish troops arrive and completely conquer Armenia. Over here, Turkish troops start to push into Greece, and they make a landing in this island, this island, this island, and this island, and they take all of those. Also, they make a landing in this island, and they start to push into it. After some more time, they start to push more into Greece, and take over this island. Now, Azerbaijan troops arrive at Greece, so yeah, it will be easier for Turkey to invade Greece. A landing is made over here, and Turkey starts to invade the south of Greece. Eventually, Athens, the capital of Greece, is captured, and Greece surrenders. Okay, so the peace treaty is signed, and it looks like this. We have Turkey taking over. Azerbaijan taking over all of Armenia, Turkey taking over all of Cyprus, and it might look like they take over all of Greece, but actually no. They take over the mainland Greece, so this, but this island over here, they don't take that, and that becomes Greece. Eventually, later on, it will probably join Albania or get invaded by Albania, but for now, it's their own country. And yeah, so the allies that Turkey has are Azerbaijan, and that's pretty much it. Now, they will stop with the Balkans for now, and they will declare war on Syria, and also Iraq. So, after the war starts, some Turkish troops start to push into Syria, and also they make a push into Iraq. They also make a landing over here from Cyprus, and they start to push into Syria. Now, Iraq will be a little bit harder than Syria, because at this point, yeah, it will be a little bit harder, it's more powerful, yeah. Eventually, after some more time, Syria collapses, and Turkish troops start to push into Iraq. They take over this part of Iraq, and they start to do more things. They encircle this part over here, and after some more time, Iraq collapses. And the peace treaty is complete annexation. Now, that's really unlikely, but yeah, it is. Okay, so now Turkey is really strong, probably behind Russia, the strongest country in Europe. And they can do two things. They can take over Kuwait, Jordan, Israel, Palestine, and also Lebanon, or they can make progress in the Balkans. And they decide, okay, let's for now move more into the Balkans. And yeah, they declare war on Bulgaria, North Macedonia, Albania, and that's pretty much it. Now, some troops from Greece start to push into Albania, while some troops from Turkey, mainland Turkey, start to push into Bulgaria. Eventually, North Macedonia is completely taken, and Albania quickly falls. After that, we have Bulgaria quickly falling, and eventually they surrender. Okay, and that's what happens. The peace treaty is complete annexation. Now, what does really Turkey want to do next? They want to declare war on Montenegro, Kosovo, and Serbia. So they do that. But Serbia quickly declares war on Serbia declares war on Kosovo. And what does that mean? Basically, that means that Serbia is fighting Kosovo, but they're not in the Turkish team. I mean, Turkish troops. What I mean is, Turkish troops can actually invade Kosovo and Serbia. Some Serbian troops start to push into Kosovo, and also Montenegro enters the side of Serbia. After some more time, we have Turkish troops taking over of Kosovo and also starting to push into Serbia. After some time, they take off Kosovo and they start to push into Montenegro, taking over all of the country. They also push into Serbia. Now at this point, Turkey doesn't want more land from Serbia. I mean, they're okay with this. And they decide, let's make peace. And they negotiate with Serbia, taking over pretty much a quarter of Serbia only. Okay, and the rest, yeah, they completely annex the rest. Now, at this point, this island, Greece, cannot do anything, so they eventually collapse and Turkey really takes them. Yeah. Okay. Now, what should Turkey do? They can push more into the Balkans, taking over Romania, Bosnia, Croatia, but that might lead other countries in joining, and they don't want to lose a war. So they decide maybe we will come back to Romania later. But for now, let's move into the Middle East. They declare war on Kuwait, Jordan, Lebanon, and Israel and Palestine. Yes, a lot of countries, but they want to reform the Ottoman Empire, really. I mean, I think you guys already managed to see that. Turkish troops really start to push into Lebanon and they take over all of the country, and also they start to push into Jordan. Over in Kuwait quickly falls. And after some more fighting, Jordan is almost taken. Now, Israel won't be easy to invade. It really won't. So, yeah. After some more fighting, Jordan falls and Palestine falls as well. Seeing no point in fighting anymore, not that. Israel quickly collapses as well. And the peace treaty is complete annexation. Now, Turkey really reformed the Ottoman Empire. Yes, they didn't take any of Africa and the Caucasus, and Iran stuff, but yeah, this is the Ottoman Empire. Now, the last thing that Turkey wants to do is take a little bit of Romania. So they declare war on them. Moldova joins on Romania's side, and also Croatia, Bosnia, and Slovenia join on Romania's side. Now, what did they join? It's not like Slovenia, Croatia, and Bosnia have are protecting Romania or something. They just don't want to get invaded. They just don't want to get invaded after that. Okay, so the Ottomans start to push into Romania over here, and but over here in the Croatia, Bosnia, and Slovenia, they start to push into the Ottoman Empire because they didn't expect them joining. That leads to Romania pushing them back, and after that some troops arrive at the border and start to push back them. But eventually Romanian troops cross the border and start to push into the Ottoman Empire. After that, we have Turkey getting all of their lands back from Croatia and Bosnia, and they start to push into Bosnia and Croatia. Over here, they do the same thing, pushing back Romania, and starting to push into Romania, taking over more of the land, and taking over the coast. Over in Croatia, they start to take the coast, and Bosnia quickly falls. After some more fighting, we have Croatia falling as well, and a push into Slovenia started. Over in Romania, troops start to cross the border, but over here in the sea, they start to push back. So now we have like the Ottoman Empire doing really well, but something happens which it will be good for them. Hungary joins on Romania side, Turkish side, the Ottoman Empire side. Then they start to push into Romania. Now after that, Slovenia falls, but Romanian troops started to manage to push back the Ottoman Empire. Now at this point, we have the Ottoman Empire they could take over Romania. But they decide, okay, let's not fight a really big war. They will just take, they negotiated with Romania, only taking this part, I mean the coast. Now that's completely unlikely, but they take that, and they do that. Romania wants to do that because if they don't do that, they will probably, they won't, they will lose all of their country. So yeah, after that, Romanian troops arrive at Hungary, and the situation with Hungary is really, Okay, so let's make a peace treaty, a final peace treaty. Okay, and this is the peace treaty. We have Turkey, Ottoman Empire taking over the part of Romania that I said, the coast, and taking over all of Slovenia, Croatia, and Bosnia. Now, Romania takes also this part of Hungary and unites with Moldova. And the Ottoman Empire sees that. And they decide, why not stay Hungary? I mean, it's really weak. And they eventually take Hungary. Now, this is the Ottoman Empire I created, the Turkish Empire. Now, what I think will happen in the future will be like Serbia joining this sort of Romanian superpower or uniting with Romania for Ottoman protection. And in the future, the Ottoman Empire might do something in the Caucasus. Maybe Azerbaijan will join them, take over Georgia, taking like Crimea, taking Africa, maybe even Austria, but I don't know. That will lead into a war between them and Germany. But they might win that. I mean, at this point, they're the strongest country in Europe, behind Russia, or maybe even maybe even stronger than Russia. I mean, Turkey is strong, but now they were buffed. I forgot to say they were buffed, and now they have pretty much all of the Balkans, the Middle East, a lot of the Middle East. So yeah, they might be even stronger than Russia, but I don't think so. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Goodbye.